Hey everyone, welcome to Stampin' Grotto. My name is Jeanette and I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator based in Summerville, South Carolina. And today I'm going to show you how to make this very simple congratulations card. And you can use really any sentiment that you want on this. It will work for pretty much everything. So the base of the card is made from BLACKBERRY BLISS. So I already have my card base made here. This is a piece of cardstock that is cut to 8.5 by 5.5 and then scored at the 4¼ inch mark to make a 4¼ by 5.5 by 5.5 inch card base. And then we are going to cut a piece of basic white to 4 inches by 5¼ inches. And that is just going to go right on here like this. So let's go ahead and glue this down. I'm just going to use some Stampin' Seal to, I'm just going to center this by kind of eyeballing it. And then I'm going to take a piece of BLACKBERRY BLISS cardstock. Now this one is cut to 3¼ inches by 4.5 inches. And we're just going to lay this down just like this. So we're going to put some more Stampin' Seal on the back of that. And then we're just going to lay it down, oops, this way, a little cockeyed, leaving a little bit on each edge. And then, so this piece, again, is from the Design a Daydream Designer Series paper, and it's BLACKBERRY BLISS, and it is also cut to 3¼ by 4.5. So I'm just going to flip it over and put some seal on it, and then we're going to do it the opposite way at about the same angle. So you get this nice offset look. And then today I am using the die and stamp sets. So this is the Charming Sentiment stamp set and the matching dies, and the True Beauty stamp set and matching dies, and I will have those in the description below. So we are stamping the congratulations stamp from the Charming Sentiment stamp set. So this congratulations here. And then we are using the matching die to stamp and cut this out. Now the ink that I used is BLACKBERRY BLISS, but you could use a coordinating color as well if you wanted. If you're using a different color Designer Series paper, I would just match it that way. So we're going to stamp that. We are also going to, from the True Beauty stamp set, we are going to stamp these leaves, and this is in Mossy Meadow. And then we are going to use the coordinating die for this as well to cut that out. We are going to use a piece of our foam strips, adhesive foam strips, to just put some on the back of this. Now, looking at it from the front, oops, you are only going to want to put this foam strip along here to about this eye in congratulations, because you are going to leave part of it that goes over the leaves. So I'm just going to go ahead and lay that down. And then I'm just going to use my little paper snips to go ahead and cut off that excess. So I'm going to put that to the side. And then for the back of this, I am just going to grab a couple of Stampin' Dimensionals to pop this leaf up. So Stampin' Dimensionals are just a little bit thinner than the adhesive foam strips. So you get nice dimension when you put them on this way. So I'm just going to take the backing off of those, and I am just going to eyeball this and put it right about here. Make sure that they're pressed firmly down. And then I am going to grab my sentiment strip. I'm going to pull the backing off of that one. And I am going to lay this down, just kind of over this part of the leaf. And then for the inside of the card, I like decorating mine. So from this same Charming Sentiment stamp set, I stamped Because You Totally Deserve It in the Blackberry Bliss ink. And then from the True Beauty stamp set, I took this kind of painted flower look and stamped off to create these kind of faded look flowers in the corners. So I ended up with this. So I'm just going to put some adhesive on that. So centered, just like this. And then to finish off my card, I am going to take some of my Pearl Basic Jewels and my Take Your Pick tool, and I'm just going to put a medium-sized one here and here, and then a small one here and here. So I'm going to grab my medium ones, so one here, and one here, and then some small ones, one here and one here. So just like that. And you have this really pretty easy, very easy to make card. And you can, again, you can do this with lots of different sentiments, lots of different colors, and lots of different designer series paper. So I will probably make another one similar to this for a Christmas card, just so you can see the different looks that you can get with the same design. So if you're interested in seeing more, click on that subscribe button and you will be notified when I have new videos released. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.